How to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Then proceed towards your profile icon at top left corner and then tap the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select blocked users. Since I don't have any blocked Snapchatters, if you have any, you will get one on this section. If you wish to unblock them again, you can tap the cross mark next to the username and then tap the unblock button to unblock them. So that is how you easily find your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.